is for angelfish, angelfish. A is for anemone, anemone. L is for Atlanticod, Atlanticod. B is for blue whale, blue whale. B is for barracuda, barracuda. B is for blue tang, blue tang. C is for clownfish, clownfish. C is for cuttlefish, cuttlefish. C is for coral, coral. D is for dolphin, dolphin. D is for dugong, dugong. D is for dragonet, dragonet. E is for eel, eel. E is for emperor angelfish, emperor angelfish. E is for electric ray, electric ray. F is for flounder, flounder. F is for flying fish, flying fish. F is for fangtooth, fangtooth. G is for great white shark, great white shark. G is for grouper, grouper. G is for goblin shark, goblin shark. H is for haddock, haddock. H is for humpback whale, humpback whale. H is for hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark. I is for icefish, icefish. I is for irukandji jellyfish, irukandji jellyfish. I is for imperial shrimp, imperial shrimp. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. J is for John Dory, John Dory. J is for Japanese spider crab, Japanese spider crab. K is for krill, krill. K is for kingfish, kingfish. K is for king crab, king crab. L is for lobster, lobster. L is for lionfish, lionfish. L is for leatherback turtle, leatherback turtle. Is for mantaress, mantaress. O is for moray eel, moray eel. N is for monkfish, monkfish. N is for nautilus, nautilus. N is for nurse shark, N nurse shark. N is for needlefish, needlefish. O is for octopus, octopus. O is for orca, orca. O is for oyster, oyster. P is for pufferfish, pufferfish. P is for plankton, plankton. P is for parrotfish, parrotfish. Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish. Q is for queen conch, queen conch. Q is for quahog, quahog. R is for ray, ray. R is for red snapper, red snapper. R is for rockfish, rockfish. S is for seahorse, S is seahorse. S is for starfish, S starfish. S is for swordfish, S swordfish. T is for turtle, T turtle. T is for tuna, tuna. T is for tiger shark, T tiger shark. U is for urchin, urchin. U is for unicorn fish, unicorn fish. Is for viperfish, viperfish. V is for velvet crab, velvet crab. V is for vampire squid, vampire squid. W is for whale, wobble whale. W is for whale shark, wobble whale shark. W is for walrus, walrus. X is for x-ray tetra, x-ray tetra. X is for xenopus, xenopus. Y is for yellowtail, yellowtail. Y is for yellow fine tuna, yellow fine. Y is for yellow tang, yellow tang. Z is for zebrafish, zebra. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark. Z is for zander, zander. ABC animals A to Z, swimming in the ocean, wild fish. ABC animals A to Z, swimming in the ocean, wild fish. ABC animals A to Z, swimming in the ocean, wild fish.